Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video I would like to show you 3 ways to transpose your data in Excel. For example, you have data like this and turn it to like this. Okay, let's start. Method number 1, you can copy, just select it and copy. Okay, just copy. And then you can right click and you can paste, but we do a special paste right here and we use transpose. Okay, transpose. Here we go. But the different thing is, for example, I have changed this. For example, I put 200. The data right here is not changed. Okay, another way to do transpose with copy and paste tool. For example, copy like this and just right click. Instead of special paste, we do here. Okay. We have transpose, paste and transpose. Here is the same. When we have a change in here, the volume here not change, and it take all the, it pastes its volume with the format. Okay. So let's do transpose formula. For example, is y equal transpose. Right now, just select your data. If you want only one row or two rows of your product, like this, you just close it, and then you got it. See, for example, here it linked. So if I change the volume right here, 300, and then the volume here also change. And if you have a data like this, you can transpose into row. Okay, for transpose, select all your data, close it, and then that's it, you got it. See, all the volume here change 200 and 400. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. See you next time.